Hello and welcome to issue 107 of 3D Create and Print. In this, the 3 sets of needle files. So I see all the different types of files on them. I'll show you a bit more about that in a minute. Open up. Use web access code. Want to know about the web access code, you go to www.3dprinter-collection.com and then you enter the web access code and you get some design files. Web access code is 517899. Robotics 2. Since we last looked at the use of 3D print in robotics in issues 28, the particular marriage of technology has grown more fruitful as new printers push the boundaries of what's possible. Right, I've got issue 28 here. Robotics that printers that robotics printers that make themselves. So it's basically like robotic arms and children playing with them. Like a car. The robotics turns into a car and that. So that's a quick recap of that was world robotic. There's the robotic all in bits. That's a recap of 28. Obviously things have changed very quickly. Robots that breed. If the Terminator movies gave you sleepless nights, well, the future has now arrived in the form of robots that can mate with one another to produce offspring. Okay. The word robot was coined by Czech writer Karel Čapek, who in 1921 stage play Rossum's Universal Robot featured human factory workers. So, one that looks like an octopus there. Robots that can walk by itself out of the printer. Another one. Selfie bots. Advancing kit or made up form from Russo-American makers enjoyed the selfie bot is basically an Android powered pan tilt platform, though like those used with security cameras in spy movies. Okay. 3D design tutorial. Introducing 123D design. By now you should be familiar with SketchUp and Blender. There are many more 3D programs available, and many of them have similar functions. Each and new and exciting features are worth exploring. Here's a look at 123 design. So that's when you have to install. So you go to www.123dap.com and then you just download it. Just showing you how to use it. And this is in the file. Just open this up. It makes it a bit more difficult when they put this hard plastic down. arithmetic and that really simple. There you go. We've got like a nice round one here. And we've got a flat one here. They all feel pretty rough. And then we've got like these two put together. Like this one's got like a flat edge and a half round edge. So it's like as I said, like these two being put together. Don't quite see that, but it is a bit flat. It's still quite rough. These sets of metal needle files which come in 3 different shapes is a central part of your basic 3D finishing tool set. What I need now is issue 93 to complete my little tool set. So I need that is the heated finishing tool, which goes in that little end pouch there. Now my set will be complete. I don't know when that will be. These are the design files. Lotus flower, a symbol of beauty, purity and rebirth of the stunning lotus flower generally blossoms in murky ponds. G-clamp, get a grip on a knife with another fiddly things. There's this chunky little G-clamp. That's quite useful to have, I should imagine. A snap maze. Add a ball bearing or two and attempt to navigate your way through this. Oh, I see. So you print out as many of these as possible, and then you roll ball bearing. So I don't know, try and get a ball. So you've got a little ball bearing. You have to roll it all the way through to the other side, and you can. It's like a big endless jigsaw puzzle. You can add more this way, so you have it bigger. Coal, nuts and bolts. This is a cold barrel of this nut and bolt makes tightening a breeze. Okay, and then it's just basically showing you how to use the files best way. And a central part of your basic finishing tool set, these 3 needle files come in a range of shapes and can be used quickly to remove and smooth imperfections in the hard to reach places. Like on that beetle and box of that skull. And then issue 108, the carbon filament. So that's issue 107 of the 3D Create and Print. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.